No annual fee for life? This is the built-in feature of the new Union Bank U-Visa Platinum credit card. No spending requirements, no need to make calls or make a request. That's simple. This card is best for first-time credit card users. You may apply through this reference. You will receive a welcome gift when your application gets approved. 4,000 e-gift, pwede rin convertible to GCash, Apple AirPods 2, JBL Tune 720 BT headphones, Marshall Willen Dulce Gusto Mini Me. And spend 10,000 for the first 60 days when your credit card application gets approved. May 10% rebate on interest fees. Just make sure you pay at least the minimum amount due on or before the due date. And the cashback will be reflected sa next billing statement. No late payment fees para sa madalas makalimot ng due date. And no over-limit fees dun sa hindi mahilig mag-track ng usage ng card nila. You can also charge your monthly utility bills para iwas penalty. Pwede ring in-house installment nito for easier monthly payments. So pwedeng get cash from your credit limit, convert your straight retail transactions, bill statement balance, or transfer your balances from your non-Union Bank credit cards, pwede rin dito ilipat. Of course, these are all subject for approval. You can also access your account Union Bank online anytime and anywhere, kaya sobrang convenient. Upon approval of your credit card, pwede ka na mag-virtual shopping kahit wala pa yung physical card mo. Agad-agad. Just don't forget to activate it. Check the eligibility requirements. This offer is from August 1 to 31, 2024. So hurry! Apply now for your Union Bank U-Visa Platinum credit card.